Back Forecast GBPUSD tips for beginner traders for October 8th US. Session trade analysis and recommendations under the premium article will be available in 000008.10.202577 p.m. The premium article will be available in 000008.10.202577 p.m. Trade analysis and recommendations on the British pound. The price test of 1.3401 occurred when the MACD indicator had already moved significantly above the zero mark, which limited the pair's upward potential. For this reason, I did not buy the pound. The release of the Bank of England meeting minutes supported the pound. The language of the press release was extremely cautious, no hints of a reassessment of the current monetary policy and not a single mention of upcoming interest rate cuts. Fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get